Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn instant video messages on WhatsApp. So if you guys would like to go ahead and have this new feature over on the WhatsApp application enable. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And once we are already here, of course, we need to wait for this to load. You also need to go ahead and log on to your preferred account. In this case, I'll just go ahead and do that on my WhatsApp business. Because my account is logged on over here, it's essentially the same application, just business centered, alright? So I want you to go ahead and tap on your WhatsApp settings over here and scroll to the Chats app. And once you're here, we can actually go ahead and enable or disable instant video messages over here. And in this video, since we do want to turn it on, just go ahead and just tick this toggle button. And that's all for this video guys. It is you guys could turn on instant video messages on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.